Hi everybody, Dan here. Today I have a box from the Primal Pantry, a vegan British company specialized in snacks and protein bars. Let's see what's inside the box. The first box, it's must be very old bars. I hope they are not expired yet. Almond cashew, gluten and dairy free. And then we have some cocoa brownie protein. This one is one of their latest products, and they have double espresso protein. I'm really looking forward to try this one. Cocoa brownie, that's the box. The box is actually of the cocoa brownie, but inside I found a mix, as my order was a mix of all of them. Cocoa orange and mixed berry. These are their classic, original flavors. Coconut and macadamia, hazelnut, cherry, apple pecan, hazelnut cocoa, and acai berry and super seed.